need to make my version of a lovely nutritious soup with something that most people throw away, i.e. cauliflower leaves and stalk. So you're going to need said cauliflower, in mine, onion, garlic, leave garlic out if you're not a fan, and then depending on your preference, some veg stock or chicken stock, potato just to bulk it up a bit, and some celery. First thing we're going to do, get some salt onto your leaves and stalk, and then a dribble of olive oil. We're going to give that a rub round so that it's all coated, and then it's into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for around 12 to 15 minutes until the edges of the leaves start to char. With your cauliflower leaves roasting in the oven, it's time to prepare your veg. So get them washed and peeled accordingly, and then chop them up ready for the pan. When your leaves are nicely charred from the oven, take them off the paper, just cut them up roughly. It doesn't really matter because they're all going into some hot liquid anyway. So with everything ready, all that's left is to put it into your dish, and last but not least, you're going in with your chicken or veg stock. Add a bit of freshly crushed black pepper if you're that way inclined, and then we're going to cover this and let it simmer away for around 30 minutes till everything's softened down, and then we can zap it up into a soup. When your soup's been bubbling away for half an hour or so, take the lid off, and then get your hand blender or put it in a normal blender and blitz it up. Once it's nicely blitzed up, all that's left is to get yourself some crusty bread and a bowl and serve it up.